Hello student, we in today's video we are going to be looking at physics paper 1 question number 2, which says a bullet of mass 0.05 kg traveling horizontally at 20 meters per second embeds itself in a wooden block of mass 0.80 kg. If the block is suspended by a light vertical string 1 meter long, calculate the maximum inclination of the string to the horizontal. Now, I will not be literally solving the question, but I will be using the IJMB study pack 2025. Now, before I get to that, let me show you the notes in the IJMB study pack. Now, this is the notes. Okay, this is the notes. In the notes, we call this particular question is under ballistic pendulum. Consider a bullet of mass m moving, you get, and you see how rightly I took my time to explain the scene, give formulas which will level you up and put you in the right position to answer the question. So if you have not gotten your study pack, please check the description and get it. It will be very helpful to you. Now, inside the study pack, here is still the solution to the problem. Now, here is the solution to the problem. Now, calculate the velocity of the combined mass after the collision. So using conservation of linear momentum, so you see that the question was tackled. Now, I will not be having time to explain myself, but I'll just be passing the solutions through the screen so that when you see the solution, you could for yourself take out your time, write it out and study it to know how the answer was gotten. Then if you have any challenge, you can feel free to contact me or follow me on WhatsApp, chat me up and reach out to me, maybe on the comment section where you are confused. But this is how we go about solving a problem, and it will be helpful. So these are the solutions as touching this question. I just hope this video is helpful for you. This is the study pack and this is the answer to the question. So feel free to check the description. Okay, check the description, get the study pack. It will be helpful for you. And also feel free to contact me if you have any question or confusion as touching this. The reason I'm doing this is because I'll be doing that of chemistry paper 1, I'll be doing that of physics paper 2, you get, and I'm doing that of biology too, and I've not been able to post that of biology. It's going to be tedious for me, and that's why I took my time to prepare something like this. So do yourself a favor by getting the study pack. Remain blessed and have a nice day. Hello student. Hello student, let's unlock IJMB 2024. In this 2025, I have come up with an amazing package known as the IJMB Study Pack 2025. Inside the study pack, we have amazing and interesting materials that will level you up for your upcoming examination, ranging from the AZ IUPAC nomenclature, a complete guide that will get you stand out when attempting organic chemistry. I have interesting past questions ranging from 2021, 2023 down to 2025 to 2024, and series of question and answer completely solved and explained, level up to meet up your demand for 2025. IJMB 2024 question, chemistry, physics, biology, completely solved with full explanation to meet your requirement. It's a study pack. Also have past questions for you, series of past questions, and best, my note is made available for you, self-explanatory on mechanics ranging from measurement and dimension, motion, projectile motion, circular motion, momentum, work power and energy, gravitational field, elasticity, surface tension, fluid motion, vibrations and wave, Doppler effect. You will not love to miss out this amazing opportunity. So I encourage you to subscribe, check the description, and reach out to me to get your IJMB 2025 study pack.